Off to the hospital for an annual checkup on my knee. Guess who the name of my doctor is? Dr. Lim. Come on, Abby. Come on. Stop fast. We're having roast pork tonight. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Preparing dinner. This is a rare viewing. This very rarely happens. I can't believe it. My superbly crafted potatoes have been absolutely destroyed. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Just stay on, we're only going on the corner.
What? Oh yeah, we'll leave the lead on. You ready for a free run, guys? Whee! Back on a free run. So we're back in England. It's muddy. It was actually quite a nice day, really.
It's quite muddy, but yeah, the sun's shining.
We've had, well, whilst we was away in Marbella, if you haven't checked those videos, vlogs, well, not videos. If you haven't checked those vlogs, do go and check them out. Oh, monkeys. Yeah, we had quite a lot of rain back in England, so at least we escaped the actual rain, but we're having the aftermath. The dog's enjoying it. Yeah, it's a chilly day, chilly day. Hey Abby! Abby! What did you prefer, Marbella?
Abby!
Prefer Marbella Beach or Paisley Pit? Hey!
I can tell you.
Well then.
Here.
Yeah, for some
And I
reason...
can tell you the answer in this bag.
Oh, she actually had a proper poo. That's a weird thing to say, but yeah, for some reason, I don't know whether she just wasn't feeling great or what. She didn't seem to enjoy Marbella as much this time, did she? I mean, we went in March and she loved it, but she had Darby with her and maybe she just felt okay back then. But this time, I think, yeah, she was all right, but she just wasn't. You just could sense that she wasn't quite happy, which made me sad. So. I don't know, that might be the last time she goes to Marbella, because unless I really need her, because if she's not happy then she can stay at home and play with other doggies and whatever. But it was a good trip, it was a nice trip. Now we haven't got one until January. That one will be good, so we're going to South Africa. More fun.
Next morning.
Good morning. Come on, Abby. Let's go. It's an early start for you.
Not really.
It feels like it for me. I'm really tired. I don't know why. It's only 8 o'clock. I say it as if it's like 6. Excuse me. Yes, we are off for the most pointless appointment one could have. Off to the hospital for an annual checkup on my knee. Guess who the name of my doctor is? Dr. Lim. Oh, I love it every time. It's almost as good as my eye doctor being called Dr. Seymour.
It's not.
Okay, that bit's not true, but I am actually seeing Dr. Lim for my knee, which I think is brilliant. But no, I'm absolutely fine. So it's probably going to be one of them where it's just a quick, hello, goodbye appointment. Seems a bit of a waste of time, doesn't it? Like, used to this morning, it'd just be so much easier if we just like rang you when it's something like this.
A waste of money.
It's a wasted appointment time. Like, somebody else could easily have an appointment, but they want me to go in and do it. So make it very quick and snappy. But there's a Costa there anyway, so my plans are sorted. It's a traumatic experience, Emma, so I need a Costa. Shut. Straight down there. Yeah, we're good. Like I said, the good thing is my joints have been
Very good.
fine.
Okay, so what?
Morning! I don't want to say morning, I've already said morning to you before I went to the hospital, but anyway, nothing happened as predicted. Going back in 2 years, which I suppose is quite good, better than a year. Had to have some blood taken, so I've lost my holiday weight. They took that much out of me. Got on left. As you can see, Alfie is back. Picked him up yesterday. It's now Wednesday. We just had a really busy day yesterday. Did we? Not? Oh no, we picked him up on the day, didn't we? Whatever. I've lost track. We picked the parrots up yesterday. That's what we did. So they're at home. Yesterday had just been a really busy day. To be fair, we don't know why. We picked up the parrots.
You don't know why, it's because we had a change of plan.
Took them for a walk. Ah, yeah. Last night we had a guide dogs event, which was really good, to be fair. It was in Sheffield. It was an evening with ex-England footballer Dave Thomas, who now, well, sadly lost a lot of his sight, and he has a guide dog Hannah. It's a great name, actually. That's grown on me. I first thought it's a weird name for a dog, but I think I like it now.
I still think it's weird.
It's like Hannah. It's like Abby, really. You won't really put it to a dog.
Hannah.
Well, yeah, I don't know. But anyway, it was an evening with him, plus special guest Harry Redknapp, who we met a few months ago. So he was there as a special guest, drove all the way up from Dorset, 4-hour trip. Well, Poole is in Dorset. Oh, yeah. And then drove back straight away after, come for like an hour and a half. That is commitment, that.
For his wife.
And the whole night raised, well, £5 on the night.
Whoa.
Which is pretty impressive to say that there was no entry fee either. It was free entry for the people who were going to watch. We went to help out with bucket collections and have a guide dog on site and stuff like that. So the audience could stroke a guide dog and whatnot. So on the night it raised £5, and then Harry Redknapp himself also donated a very generous £10. So it was a really good night for us. You ended up coming in the end, didn't you? Because I was supposed to be going on my own.
I did ask him originally if I could come to it, but he was like, no, of course you can't.
Well, this is kind
and
of
then
my
when
thing.
all the transport went
I don't
wrong,
ask to come to work with you, do
I?
I don't ask them to work with you. But yeah, my lift on the way back dropped out on me, Steve.
Again.
Yeah. I decided it would be nice for Emma to come after all, just so I could have a lift. So yeah, that was yesterday. I'm just really gutted that the camera was full and I didn't have time to take any footage off, because it'd have been nice to get a little bit of footage of the night. But here ho, you're hearing about it now. So yeah, Abby's feeling better after a holiday. A little bit of an update on the doggy daycare business. Our landlord has done some work on the site, which should make the council happier to give us a green light. We say should because they're taking forever still, but that's been done. So we're hoping in the next couple of weeks we will sort of get things finalised and get the green light, and then Emma can hand in her notice, which is 2 months at the NHS, and then we'll go on holiday, and hopefully by the time we get back we've done all the work we need to do on the building and we are ready to open for business. So that's the idea. We're hoping January 2020 we will be ready, but who knows? So we're waiting on the council, so it could be 2021 by the time we get started. I don't know.
Right,
come on then, let's go. Abby. We've changed direction. See how long she noticed, and she's only just realised. Come on, Abby. Come on.
Alfie can't take his eyes off us for like 3 seconds.
No.
Oh, here we go.
Bye.
We're gonna roll each other on now.
Do it. I feel like joining in.
Oh, you disgusting dogs. Ready, go! Go, 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 go! Alfie, run!
And now there's calm.
Nope.
Nope.
Till she caught up with him. That's how long it took her. Is he getting you? Is she getting you? Look at the state of your coat.
Ooh.
The coat's more to keep him clean than warm.
I mean, it is a bit chilly anyway, but it's not to keep them dry.
It makes a big difference, the state of the coat. Come here.
Hello guys! Welcome home from your holiday. Did you have fun? You have fun, Woody? Do something. Dance. Nothing. What about you, Rubes? Do you have fun? Hello. You're being a bit boring. Okay, whatevs. If you don't want to talk. Here, do you want to do the honours? For plaster. Nice and fast, please. Ah, it's not fast! Ah! Do it!
Hey, wait!
It's on my...
Get out of it.
It's on my... Oh! Monkeys! It's on my... Wait! I'm trying to put it fast. Yay! We get it off now. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, thanks. Don't put it... Oh. Good. That's painful. What have you bought me?
An elephant activity centre.
Woo!
3 ways to play.
Ooh. Sorry. Oh, listen to that.
That's quite cool. What else does it do? Go for the parrot.
Bum 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 bum. This isn't really for me, by the way, guys. It's for Emma's best friend's daughter.
She's nearly 1 and it's just been a christening, so she's 1 in like a week. So.
You missed a christening on holiday, didn't you?
Yeah.
And yeah.
Sit and explore, stand and play, and introduce counting. How do you introduce counting?
It's so exciting.
Oh, and we also have there. Little outfit.
Holden.
I need a child.
I definitely like... I beg your pardon.
This one.
I hope I didn't hear that correctly. So you're going to visit her later, and I'm in charge.
First time of year.
Oh yeah, your hair's so long, it's ridiculous.
It's not getting.
I don't know why you won't let me do it.
I'm not having a short.
So while you go and visit Phyllis and Elsie, I'm looking after these troublemakers. Well, Alfie in particular. The dog that never gets tired. Look, he's just been for a big run and he's already going mental.
He's playing.
I know.
For himself.
Yeah, well, can you do that later, please? Rather than just keep bringing me balls. I'm just saying, he's just full of energy and he only just got back from a run. Bless him. Nope.
What we have to
Noisy! No, it wasn't Alfie, it was you. So while Emma is visiting her friend, it's up to me to prepare dinner. This never happens, by the way. I'm a terrible cook, an absolute terrible cook. I'd like to blame my blindness, but even when I wasn't blind, I was shocking then as well. So. What do you want? Bye. So yeah, we're having roast pork tonight. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Preparing dinner. This is a rare viewing. This very rarely happens. We're having there's the pork about to go in for 2 hours. Set timer for 2 hours and 25 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 2 hours and 25 minutes.
That is a long time. Just like the one occasion when I'm doing the veg myself, the peeler goes on walkabout, so doing it all with a knife. It's just my luck, innit? First up, potatoes. We watch a lot of vloggers who do like proper good food, like all these major ingredients. Don't think you're gonna get that right now. I'm very basic. It's gonna be peeling some potatoes, peeling some carrots. I've already put the meat on, as you've already seen, and then that's about it really. Mashing potatoes later. When Emma will be back to help, so well I hope. So yeah, it's not gonna be anything spectacular. I'm not like a super chef, unfortunately. Not even close. Right, that's the potatoes done. Woohoo! I'm getting somewhere. Look, they look beautiful, don't they? Okay, I guess they're just like potatoes, but whatever. It's now, it's now time to do the carrots. I feel like they're going to be quite a bit harder. Wish me luck. I really wish I had a peeler. The one day I do the veg, can't find the bloody peeler. And I bet you Emma will be home in the next few minutes and she'll probably find it straight away. That'll be very annoying. God's sake.
Oh, it was under 3 things. Did you not even look at it?
I picked up at least 2 things. What was it under?
Under the foil.
I reckon you took it weird, didn't you?
Oh,
And now you just
yeah.
put it in there.
Yeah, like
I looked everywhere in there.
You didn't.
I picked up the foil and picked up whatever's in that plastic packet.
But you didn't look everywhere.
I did.
You didn't, because it was in there.
Well, I didn't look, but I felt everywhere. Can't believe she just obviously took it with her, didn't she?
It probably would have took less time to look for it than it would be to peel it with a knife.
No, I looked everywhere, and it just wasn't there.
No.
It was really hard as well. Oh, well, I'm not cooking ever again. Clearly, it's just bad luck for me. I don't believe it. After all my hard work peeling these potatoes, it's just drowned it in milk,
By accident.
and now it's ruined. It's going to be like eating slush.
I'm trying to do 50,000
It's. I can't believe it. My superbly crafted potatoes have been absolutely destroyed. It's flooded.
Let me see.
It's unreal.
It's not that bad.
It is too, it's
That's
like-
how it's supposed to be.
Smudge, flush,
Creamy.
flush, flush. Creamy? It's definitely not creamy, it's
Why have we got 3 minutes?
water. That's what it is, water. Hopefully I can rescue it with some good mashing. Put some, yes, have some butter in. Would anybody like some mashed potato soup?
It's nice.
Would anybody like some, well, it's a drink, it's a new drink, it's a new invention. It's called Mashade.
Cole, can you set the table, please?
Called?
Cold.
Called. Oh, it's not called that. That's a crap name. That's pretending that she's taken over, whereas I've done all the cooking. You've all seen it with me doing it.
Yeah, I've done it since.
Chef Nathan! Showing him in back a minute, just comes barging in like, making it like she's doing it.
We'll go with that.
No. Who cooked the meat? I turned it on, so if I didn't turn it oven on, it never would have been cooked.
What's happened to me?
And I superbly made those carrots and potato. And then you decided to just throw milk at it all. Unbelievable, I'm telling you, unbelievable. Just set the table the right way. For me, anyway. Does anybody else out there eat with the fork in the right hand and knife in the left hand? I'm surely not the only one. And I'm right-handed. It's just, I find it impossible. Doing it the so-called normal way of that, the way Emma has it. I just can't do it physically. I miss my mouth and everything. So yeah, if you are like me, leave a comment below and make me feel better. Because she always says I'm weird and the only one. And I'm sure that's not true. And here's the finished article. I'm just gutted there's no mint sauce. Bon appetit, Emma, and enjoy this meal I've prepared for you.
We've prepared.
I've prepared for you. Enjoy it. Enjoy it, honestly. Just sit there and enjoy it. You've earned it. You're welcome.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
To be continued.